In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an entire email thread in Gmail. If you've ever needed to share a full conversation instead of forwarding messages one by one, Gmail makes that process very simple. Forwarding the entire thread is useful when you want someone to see the full context of an email exchange, including earlier replies, updates, and decisions, all in one place. To get started, open Gmail and go to your inbox. This is where you'll see your list of emails and conversations. In Gmail, related replies are usually grouped together into a single thread, which helps keep conversations organized and easier to manage. Next, click on the email thread you want to forward. Make sure you open the correct conversation, especially if you have several emails with similar subject lines. Once the thread is open, you'll be able to view the full exchange. At the top of the thread, look for the three dots, which open the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to reveal additional actions for that conversation. This menu includes several tools, and one of them allows you to send the full conversation at once instead of just the latest message. From that menu, click on Forward All. When you choose this option, Gmail automatically creates a new forwarded message that includes the entire email thread. This saves time and helps make sure nothing important is left out. It's a good option when the recipient needs the complete background of the conversation. Once the forwarded draft opens, click into the recipient field and type in the email address of the person you want to send it to. Take a moment to confirm that you're entering the right recipient, since the full thread may contain more information than a standard forwarded email. You can also quickly review the message before sending, just to make sure the thread includes what you expect. Finally, click Send. Gmail will forward the entire thread to your selected recipient as one message, and that's all it takes to forward an entire email thread in Gmail. It's a fast and practical way to share full conversations without copying and pasting or forwarding emails individually. If you use Gmail often, this is one of those small features that can save you time and make communication much clearer.